I want to take a moment and show everybody our newest electric cigarette rolling machine here, the Magic Roller. Comes brand new in a box, of course, like this. Let me show you what you get inside. You will get a hopper that sits up on the top here. Allows you to add more tobacco, just snaps on like that. You will get a power cord. It's removable, like so. Then you will get an extra auger and a small cleaning brush. And you will also get instructions like this. Shows you how to do everything. Let me show you some of the features on the machine real quick. Here's the machine. You can see the logo there, Magic Roller. I'm going to show you a few of the options real quick. You'll see machines on eBay that look like this machine, but they aren't the same one. This one has more features than any other machine on the market. This is a brand new machine that's out. Let me start out by showing you this one has speed control here. There's no other machine like this online that has the speed control. It allows you to set the speed of how quick you can roll a cigarette. You can slow it down or speed it up with this. Then next, it's got a forward gear and then a backwards gear here. And what that allows you to do, if you were ever rolling a cigarette and the machine would get jammed, it would happen in here. This one I've never had it jam up, but if it would, a twig or something would get in here. All you would have to do is, of course you're in forward gear when you're rolling the cigarette, but all you'd have to do is hit backwards and reverse it, and it would reverse the tobacco back into the hopper here, right there where you're looking. That's the auger there. You see the spring-like feature, and it would reverse it in there. If you don't do that, then you have to come around here and take this off, and where the bolts are, unscrew it. And it's not a big deal, but it still takes more time. And this machine here has also got this flip down lid here. This is how you start it. It's a feature you'll see on no other machine. Like I said, this machine's got the speed control and then the backwards gear for any jams that could occur. No other machine will have. And then it's got the density setting here where you can set how much tobacco you want to let into each cigarette. Okay? And this one also has a removable ashtray here. It just slides right on the front here, if you can see it, just and snaps in. Okay, now let me tell you a few more things here, and we are going to demo how to roll some cigarettes here with the machine. First I want to show you what you're going to need. It doesn't come with the machine, but you'll need to buy some tubes here, and what they are, these are Kings, and it's a cigarette with no tobacco. Okay, come 200 to a box. They're $3-4, and this is a whole carton worth. And you can also do 100s here. The machine will do Kings or 100s. Tobacco you'll need is a 1 pound bag that I bought here, and it cost me like $15. You can roll over 2 cartons of cigarettes with this. So you can see, by rolling your own cigarettes, you can save a ton of money. What's a carton of cigarettes? $40, $50? Well, I think you can roll them for under $10 a carton here with this machine. So it saves you a ton of money. Let's go ahead and roll a couple of cigarettes here for you. Here, let me walk around and you get a tube out of the box here. And you got to make sure you've got, of course, got all your settings right. I've got my tobacco already in the hopper. Set your speed control. I have it set where I want. I have my density setting where I want. Make sure I'm in forward gear, which I've got as well. Next, all you do is you lift this up here. When you lift this, it drops this arm down right here. By dropping the arm down, it allows you to, see, I'm trying to do it where I'm not in your way. It's kind of difficult to do like this. But there you go. You just slide it on here like that. And you just slide it on like that. Then what you want to do is anytime you're rolling and the cigarette would not come off for any reason, you just need to tamper down the tobacco for a minute, and then the cigarette will come on. For instance, here, let me show you. this machine here, all you do is push down on the lid here like this. Okay, see how easy that is? There's one cigarette. Just roll a couple here. You lift this up again, and sometimes you have to dust a little bit of tobacco off, but try to get out of your way. And you just insert your tube on like this. Simple as that. Okay, and I always like to just make sure my tobacco's compacted right, and then boom, there's your another cigarette. It rolls them really easy. You can roll them up really quick with this machine. Again, just dust it off a little bit, and then come around and insert your tube, slide it on. Always compact my tobacco, make sure I've got it like I want it, and there we go. There it is. There's 3 cigarettes right there. Like I said, you'll see machines on eBay that look like this, but they aren't. This is the newest, most high-tech machine that you can buy. It's got more features. It costs a little bit more, but it's worth every penny. So if you have any questions, just drop me an email there on eBay, and I appreciate you watching here. Have a good day.